mKOS wearable power bank stands out as an ideal travel companion, designed to keep your devices powered up while on the move. Equipped with a built-in Type-C retractable cable, this compact power bank ensures convenience and efficiency, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or just out for the day, it provides an uninterrupted charging experience for your iPhone 15 and other devices. From early morning runs to weekend hikes, the Haki Mix V blends cutting-edge tech with practical wearability. More than just a smart visor, this device redefines hands-free audio on the move. Its bold tie-dye pattern and sleek emblem project confidence without sacrificing utility. While the packaging, a refined blue box, underscores its premium quality. Quick charge technology delivers up to 75 minutes of playback from just 10 minutes plugged in. When fully charged, you're equipped with up to 8 hours of talk time or continuous music. The AOHi USB 4 2.0 8-in-1 cable set is a comprehensive solution for those seeking high-speed connectivity and fast charging in one reliable package. This versatile cable supports Thunderbolt 4, delivering data transfer speeds up to 40 gigabits per second, ensuring that large files and media move effortlessly between devices. Whether you're working on a MacBook Pro, iPad, or Galaxy, the 240-watt PD 3.1 USB-C fast charging feature ensures devices charge quickly and efficiently. The Async H7 e-bike stands as a top-tier option for those seeking versatility and performance. With a premium carbon fiber frame and handlebar, the Async H7 combines strength and lightweight construction, offering a sleek, geometrically balanced design that enhances both aesthetics and functionality. It features a powerful 960 watt-hour Samsung 21700 removable battery, capable of a maximum range of 50 miles with throttle alone and up to 100 miles with pedal assist. Under the sun or through a chill dusk breeze, this electric machine is built for performance beyond pavement. The MaxFun 10 Max pushes urban mobility into a class of its own with top-tier components and unrelenting power. A searing 55 miles per hour top speed delivers high-octane thrills, while the extended 70-plus mile range ensures you're riding longer without compromise. Its Samsung removable battery guarantees quality and convenience. Charge anywhere, anytime. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, this ring isn't just a fidget toy, it's a precision-engineered mechanical masterpiece for your fingertips. The world's most powerful titanium fidget toy mechanic ring redefines portable stress relief with a rugged edge and industrial appeal. Designed for those who admire stylish minimalism and functional performance, the ring spins, clicks, and transforms, all within a sleek metallic frame that fits comfortably on your hand. From studio workshops to remote job sites, the ability to print precisely on virtually any surface is now a reality. Introducing the world's first modular inkjet printer designed to adapt to almost any material, rigid or flexible, while delivering vivid colors and crisp content. Whether you're applying an image, embedding a QR code, printing fine text, or stamping a barcode, this printer handles it all with precision. Compact yet powerful, it's engineered with modular components that swap easily. Roasting coffee at home just reached new heights. BeanBond delivers everything you expect from a top-tier home coffee roaster. With a compact, sturdy build and intuitive operation, it transforms green beans into cafe-worthy roasts in the comfort of your kitchen. Pre-programmed with 8 expert-crafted roasting settings, BeanBond removes the guesswork while maintaining full control for the enthusiast, ready to fine-tune every batch. Carve out your sound space without shutting out the world. Yamaha's TW-EF3A true wireless earbuds bring immersive audio in a form that stays light, open, and aware. Designed with a breezy, open-type earbud structure, they rest comfortably while allowing ambient sounds to filter in. Ideal for walking, commuting, or office use where awareness matters. These aren't just about comfort. Inside each bud is Yamaha True Sound technology, delivering lifelike clarity and balance that captures every breath of your favorite track. The Armrest Couch Cup Holder by Couch Coaster offers an innovative solution for those seeking convenience and organization while relaxing at home. Crafted with precision, this patented design incorporates a weighted silicone base that securely sits on your sofa, armchair, or recliner armrest, preventing accidental spills. Its anti-slip feature ensures stability, keeping your drink firmly in place even during the most relaxed moments. Slip into a future of seamless intelligence with the Halliday's Ultimate Pair, AI glasses built for minds that never rest. Weighing just 1.23 ounces, these featherlight glasses carry the force of a proactive AI assistant embedded within an invisible display, ensuring your view remains unobstructed while your focus sharpens. The XGO Mini is an innovative quadruped robot designed to bring a new level of interactivity and intelligence. With 12 degrees of freedom, it can move in all directions, giving it impressive agility. This robot offers an omnidirectional range of motion, allowing it to adapt to various environments effortlessly. Its compact design makes it highly mobile and capable of performing tasks that require advanced coordination and flexibility. Elevating refinement without shouting for attention, the amzn.to introduces a deliberate evolution in smartwatches, built for those who value balance over noise. With a full-size display embedded in a classic silhouette and powered by a new intelligent chipset, amzn.to delivers essential features in a timeless frame. Designed using sustainable materials and forged from 2 years of community insight, this timepiece isn't trying to keep up. It's leading quietly. When nightfall blankets the landscape and visibility drops, the Tevele telescopic lantern stands ready to illuminate your surroundings with authority. Emitting up to 800 lumens of crisp, wide-angle light, this compact powerhouse adapts to your needs with adjustable height and intelligent brightness control. The built-in smart remote gives you hands-free command over light intensity and mode, whether you're deep in the woods or sheltering during a blackout. Imagine turning your workspace into a command center. One hub, total control. The Dock-Case Studio Smart USB-C Hub 8-in-1 isn't just an accessory, it's a professional upgrade built for power users who demand speed and clarity. Up front, a vibrant touchscreen gives real-time insight into power delivery, data transfers, and device activity because control should be visual. Dual CF Express Type A and Type B card slots make it a photographer's dream, reading massive files in seconds. Immersive clarity, uncompromising color accuracy, and true portability converge in the Pepper Jobs X10 Touch Pro, a 15.6-inch 4K AMOLED portable monitor crafted for professionals who demand precision. Whether you're color grading in a remote studio, refining edits in a cafe, or presenting sharp visuals on site, the X10 Touch Pro delivers ultra-deep blacks, vibrant tones, and unrivaled detail, all packed in a slim, travel-friendly frame. In small apartments or tight spaces, growing your own food shouldn't feel impossible. That's exactly why this streamlined indoor garden was engineered, to bring yield and versatility into even the narrowest corners. With a sleek footprint and an innovative expandable design, it supports 12+ plants without the bulky frame of traditional models. Most systems with similar output eat up over 5 times the floor space, but here, thoughtful architecture redefines what compact gardening means. Introducing the Lightbox, an unparalleled fusion of style and innovation, where eco-friendly materials meet cutting-edge technology. Crafted with Danish design principles and premium craftsmanship, this wood projector sets a new standard for home entertainment. With a giant screen experience up to 180 inches, it transforms any room into a personal theater. The patent-pending Smart Flip technology allows for seamless vertical displays, offering flexibility for all viewing angles. In a world where hygiene meets smart design, the Rev Squared Mini Hand Dryer sets a new standard for compact power and aesthetic appeal. Engineered for both residential and commercial spaces, this streamlined device blends function and form, crafted from ABS polycarbonate to deliver durability with a polished finish. Whether outfitting a busy office or elevating a home bathroom, the Rev Squared HD 350 offers high-end efficiency without the high-end price tag. The Tachyon 210-watt power bank is designed for those who demand speed and durability in their charging solutions. Equipped with shock-proof construction, it ensures protection from impacts during outdoor adventures or travel. With 4 USB charging ports, it supports simultaneous device charging, allowing users to power up multiple gadgets at once without slowing down. The digital display offers a clear, real-time view of the power bank's status, making it easy to monitor remaining charge and manage power usage effectively. Achieve cafe-quality drinks with ease using this innovative milk frother. Designed for those who appreciate the finer details of a perfect latte or cappuccino, it creates smooth, velvety microfoam that elevates your beverages. With a generous 15 ounces capacity, it easily accommodates multiple servings, making it ideal for both single cups or larger family gatherings. In a world where responsible firearm ownership matters more than ever, the BioFire Smart Gun offers unmatched security without sacrificing speed or performance. Engineered for protection with built-in peace of mind, this 9mm smart handgun stays locked the moment it's out of your grip, rendering it completely inoperable until a trusted, authorized user takes hold again. The intelligent design ensures that no unauthorized person, be it a child, thief, or intruder, can ever fire it. In tight interiors, through car windows, or around bustling sets, flexibility defines cinematic excellence. DJI's Ronin 4D Flex elevates the craft by merging intelligent stabilization with spatial freedom, empowering creators to reach shots that were once impossible. At the core of Ronin, 4D Flex is its brilliantly re-engineered gimbal camera system, now separated from the main body by a nearly 6.6-foot extension cable. This design cuts weight on the operator's end and frees up movement, allowing gimbal operation in spaces previously off-limits. The experience of typing on glass has long been the standard, but Clicks transforms your iPhone into a tool of precision. Designed for those who write, message, and multitask constantly, Clicks brings physical control back to your hands without sacrificing screen space. No more toggling between keyboard and content. With 50% more usable display, you can work, play, or browse uninterrupted. Clicks are built with intention. The brushed metal side keys feel responsive and premium. A soft microfiber lining protects your device from the inside. Forget the hunt for the perfect pair of trees. With the Animaka portable hammock stand, you bring comfort wherever you set foot, be it sun-baked shores, rugged trails, or your own backyard. Designed to be as adventurous as you are, this stand unfolds into instant relaxation with its intuitive snap-fold system. In just seconds, you're lounging without tools, knots, or frustration. Whether you're reading under the sun or stargazing at night, you control your position with precision. Step beyond conventional instruments with a design built for fluid creativity and portable performance. This is not just a tool, it's a gateway to musical spontaneity, where your touch becomes the music. Glide across the responsive fingerboard to arpeggiate, tap to unleash chords, or shift between 7 and 21 chord modes with precision. Every interaction is intuitive, with customizable mapping that lets you tailor the fingerboard to your playstyle. Engineered for those who demand more from their gear, the Act Max M stand redefines everyday carry essentials. Crafted from premium titanium, this lightweight, corrosion-resistant tool offers durability without compromise. More than just a bold necklace pendant, the M stand folds out effortlessly into a sturdy stand for your phone or tablet, keeping your tech upright whether you're on a mountain trail or in a bustling coffee shop. The Opus Soundbed offers an innovative way to enhance your emotional fitness. This advanced hardware is seamlessly integrated with the Opus Emotional Fitness Platform, a system designed to guide you toward personal growth and healing. With 7 channels of spatial sound and vibration, the Soundbed envelops your body in a unique, full sensory experience, delivering tailored sensations from head to toe. Whether you're seeking deep relaxation or focusing on specific areas of tension, the Soundbed offers versatility in how it supports your emotional well-being. Precision meets immersion in the Varjo XR4, redefining how professionals interact with virtual and real environments. This mixed reality headset delivers 28 million pixels through revolutionary full-dome aspheric lenses, ensuring unmatched clarity across an effective field of view that's 50% larger than its predecessor. Whether you're simulating surgical procedures or designing in CAD, every line and contour is rendered with industrial-grade color accuracy and 200 nits of brightness. Whether you're battling a dead battery or clearing crumbs from tight corners, this powerhouse tool meets the moment. The Dustbuster X is engineered as a complete vehicle companion, integrating raw suction force, essential emergency tools, and mobile convenience in a rugged, travel-ready form. The versatile air pump inflates tires, sports gear, and air mattresses up to 120 psi, while the Jump Starter revives 12 V-car batteries in seconds. No cables or second vehicle required. Power your devices with unmatched precision and versatility using the Sharky X 3-in-1 magnetic power bank. Built with an advanced dual magnetic design, it securely snaps onto compatible phones, smartwatches, and earbuds for effortless charging, no cables required. The ultra-strong magnetic force ensures a stable connection even while you're on the move. With a 10,000 mAh battery capacity, this compact unit delivers multiple charges in one go. Shifting how you approach comfort and function, this chair-table hybrid builds versatility into every inch. Designed for those who refuse to stay confined to one spot, it blends transformable comfort with utility and seamless mobility. Whether you're tackling spreadsheets, sketching in a park, or letting your cat curl up next to you mid-read, it adapts to fit the moment. The armrests aren't just static supports, they fold down and lock into several angles, letting you lounge or sit upright, your choice. Precision meets endurance with the Zhiyun Crane 4E, a 3-axis camera stabilizer designed for professionals who demand intelligent ergonomics and long-lasting performance. Engineered for efficiency, its reduced weight construction eases strain through a 25% wrist effort reduction, a 20% sling grip energy save, and a 15% dual hold fatigue drop. The modular sling grip adjusts in length and direction, catering to hours of dynamic filming without burnout.